Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the aircraft and securing it. Chocks in place, brake set, and engines cold. Once done, put on hearing and eye protection and inspect the landing gear for leaks or damage. Next, place the jack at the manufacturer's jacking point and raise slowly until the wheel clears the ground. Make sure to use axle stands rated for the aircraft weight. Then deflate the tire and loosen wheel nuts in a star pattern while the jack takes the load, keeping nut order and marks for reassembly. Now remove the wheel assembly and set it on a clean work surface. Inspect bearings and seals for play or contamination, and check brake hardware. You then mount the replacement tire, aligning the valve stem and matching orientation marks for directional tread if required. Hand start the lug nuts to hold the wheel. Once seated, lower the jack until the wheel lightly contacts the ground so the tire won't spin. Then torque the lug nuts incrementally in a star pattern to the manufacturer's specification. This prevents warping and ensures even clamping. Finish by fully lowering the aircraft and removing the jack and stands, then perform a final torque sequence to specification while the aircraft bears full weight. Inflate the tire to the specified size and inspect the valve and bead for leaks using soap and water. Finally, taxi slowly and listen for unusual vibration. If you feel vibration or detect leaks, make sure to recheck lug torque, inspect seals and bearings, and replace any damaged components. Diagnosing early prevents runway problems and unsafe returns to service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.